Hi mathematicians, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the median and the mean of a set of data. I'm going to do the mean first, and for step 1 you need to add. So we're going to add the numbers together in the list, and when I did that I got a total of 238. Sorry about my handwriting there. In step 2, I'm going to divide. And I'm going to divide 238 in math. Remember, in big kid math, we use this fraction bar to represent division instead of the little symbol you used to use in elementary school. And I divide by how many numbers I have in the list. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 numbers in the list. So I'm going to divide 238 by 7. And when I do that, I get a mean of 34. So the mean for this data set is 34. Please remember when you're doing your own homework that I need to see these two steps in order for you to receive full credit. I need to see the sum, the total number that you got, and I need to see the step you did with the division step. In order to find the median, the first step is that you have to take your numbers and put them in order from least to greatest, so smallest to biggest. So as you can see here, I've put them in order with the smallest number 8 in the front and the largest number 45 in the back. And to find the median of a set of data, after you've put it in order, you just need to find the number that is in the middle. So now that we've got it in order, we're going to find the number that's in the middle. And what I usually do is I kind of count off from the front and the back of the list to find the number in the middle. So let me show you what I mean. I'll do something like this. I'll say, okay, front, back, work my way to the middle. And the number that is in the middle of all of them is 39. So that means that the median is 39. Make sure when you're doing your homework that you show me that step of where you put the numbers in order from least to greatest and found the number in the middle so that you get full credit. For problem number 2, again, I'm going to start with the mean, and I'm going to start with step 1 of adding the numbers together. And when I do that, I get a sum, that's another word for total, of 100. And now for step 2, I'm going to divide. So I'm going to take the 100 that I got in step 1, and I'm going to divide it. And this time I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was an ugly 3. 4 numbers. So I'm going to say 100 divided by 4. And so the mean for this set of data is 25. For the median, step 1 is to order my data least to greatest. So I'm going to write my numbers in order. So I'm going to say 18 followed by 21. Oops, that was ugly. 26 and 35. Now this one's a little different because step 2 tells us that we need to find the middle, but in this example, we don't have just one number in the middle because we have an even number, so we have 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So in order to find the median when you don't have one number in the middle, you take the 2 numbers that are in the middle and you're going to add them together. So 21 plus 26 is equal to 47. And then you are going to divide that total by 2. That lets you know what number is halfway in between 21 and 26. So in this case, the median is going to be 23.5. So the only thing different is that if you don't have one number in the middle, you take the two numbers in the middle, add them together, and divide by 2.